So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update troubleshooter. You want to click on I can't download, install, or uninstall an update. And then click on yes to run the Windows Update diagnostics. Just wait for this to load. If it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the next method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.